Today we will be demonstrating how to use Focus, a new feature added to the metrics pages in Peacock. Using Focus, you can break down the primary metric on a page by any dimension. We are using a test environment with some test data for this demonstration today. To start, we've navigated to the Approvals Metrics page and are in the Approval Rates tab. I want to see my approval rate broken down by processor. To do so, I click the Focus button at the top of the processor bar list. This changes the main graph to show approval rate over time for each of my processors individually. I can click on a processor in the legend beneath the main graph to remove it from the graph. This allows me to hone in on the specific data that I'm most interested in seeing. While you are in focus mode, you can still filter your data by other bar lists on the same page. For example, if I click Credit within the card type bar list, I can see the by processor approval rate breakdown for credit card transactions specifically. At this time, focus mode is available on most bar lists in all the metrics pages, allowing you to dive into your payments data easier and deeper than ever before. Thanks for watching.